Take a ride in the 2009 Dodge Ram Pickup 1500. The Ram 1500 is the most awarded Ram truck ever. Its exterior styling rethinks and outclasses every truck out there. Bred for strength and intelligence, the Ram 1500's towing and cargo hauling capabilities come naturally. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, front and rear floor mats, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM CD, MP3 radio, CD player, electronic stability control, power windows, brake assist, tachometer, tilt steering wheel, steel wheels, low tire pressure warning, radio data system, front wheel independent suspension. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.